Okay, so this is going to be your walkthrough for week 2 of Module 1. Let's go ahead and go down and see what you're going to be doing this week. So as you can see from the agenda, you have quite a few things going on, and you also have some extra credit. Let's take a look. So first we're going to be talking about the Hope and Growth Mindset, and there are a couple videos here for you to look through and watch. Okay, next is the reading. That's going to be Chapter 1 from Blueprint for Success in College and Career, and the link is right here for you. Next, you're going to be doing your attendance activity, which is actually from your textbook. It's from Chapter 2. There is a link to it right there, and that looks at the your motivation for attending college. Next, I have some stats here for understanding career satisfaction and a short video lecture. Then we look at the generational differences and how we're influenced by history and some of the main characteristics. So we start at the silent matures and we end at Gen Alpha, which you can see there is a lot there for Gen Alpha, as that's the newest generation and continuing. This is just a it's a kind of informative picture that talks about graph that talks about the generational differences in the workplaces. This was done by Purdue Universal Global University, so you can kind of take a look at that, but it does only go up to Gen Z. Then we look at values and work, and there is a short lecture I have here about values. Make sure to take a look at all this. And then there is a video here for you to watch as well. There's extra credit related to that video later on in this week. Then we have Focus to Career Values, and this is the values assessment with the updated video instructions. Okay, next you're going to be looking at your core values, and there's video instructions there because you have a couple options of how you would like to do this. Okay, next you're going to be doing your personalized project, My Lifeline. This is your first personalized project, and as you will see, let me make this part a little bit bigger. You can see there's video instructions here for you. The questions are here, as are the rubric, and you can see that this first personalized project, I only have it worth 40 points. It's a little bit lower stakes, so you can get used to this process. And then let's look at the extra credit that is going to be offered. So the first one has to do with work values. I think this is a really important assessment to take, so I encourage you to do that, as I encourage all students to take advantage of any extra credit that I offer. Then we have Pass It On. This is kind of a fun extra credit too, where you have an option to go to a website, pass it on, or watch a couple videos, choose some videos that have different depictions of values. And there's one more I have to put up there. That's going to be the other one. And that one is going to be using the TED Talk. And that is all that you have to do for this week.